Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video, Tech It Simple, I'm going to show you how to change names on threads. To get started, let's open the app. Make sure you have already downloaded the app on your device. So, here, go to your profile icon that is located on the bottom right corner. It will navigate you to the profile page. Now, tap on the Edit Profile button, and here, click on your name. Now, it says that your name is linked to your Instagram so you cannot change it. So, in order to change your name on the go, go to your Instagram account. Open your Instagram app, here, tap on Edit Profile and click on the name. Now, here, edit your name. Now, click on the Done button and tap on Change Name. So, you have successfully changed your name on Instagram, and it will also change your name on your threads as seen here. So, that wraps it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.